Hi, Dan from Mudmap here. Today I'm going to demonstrate how we can update, create, and delete firewall rules inside Mudmap. What we're looking at now is the home page with our current active devices, and I want to make a change to the firewall rules on the bottom. So I click View Device. It takes us to the device overview page or system page, but we want to go to the firewall rules page. So we click the firewall button on the top navigation bar, which by default drops us into the rules page. Below that, we can see that we have the WAN interface selected. On this test client, it's the only interface I have up at the moment. If we had more, we would see those across the top along here. On the WAN interface, we only have 3 rules set up. From left to right, we have the status. Green tick means that we're currently pass. It's passing all of those. The hand is blocking, and the X we're rejecting. So we have IP version, protocol, source and source port, destination, destination port, and gateway, as well as the human readable description. The actions panel on the side, we have an edit button and a disable button, a delete button. If we have reject or blocking, we simply have an enable button. So we can change it to whatever we would like inside the edit page, which I'll demonstrate. This reject, I want to change to block and add some things for demonstration. So I'm going to click the edit button. Let's change that to pass. And I'm going to enable the rule. I'll keep everything basically the same and just add updated. And I'm going to save that. That sends that form to the firewall, which will update on the device, and then we'll fetch the latest data from it. And we can see that it's changed. Now a green tick, and we've updated the human readable description here. Now you may see there's a color change. We have white background and gray backgrounds on each table row. Gray means that this rule is disabled. White means it's passing, or enabled rather. Okay. Now, this reject one is pretty useless, so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to hit the delete button and be prompted. Yes, I want to delete it. Again, I'm going to send that information to the firewall and update it there, and we'll fetch the latest information. And you can see that it just disappeared from the view. Now, if we want to add, we have 2 options. We can add to the top or to the bottom. Rule order is very important in pfSense. I'm just going to add it to the bottom and demonstrate how this works. We hit that. I'm going to reject just so you can see the difference, and I'll disable it. Now, we have options in each one of these. We only have the WAN interface. Now, if I want to change to, say, ICMP, we get extra options, such as the subtypes. Let's keep it ICMP let's keep it TCP UDP for simplicity. And I'll make it this firewall. But I could also make it a single host or a network with a CIDR range. I could add ports, port ranges, just as you can on pfSense. I can also log, which I'll do. And I'll just make this example and we'll save. And again, we'll see that the rule create is pending, means sending it to the server. And we're going to fetch the latest information and it'll appear in our table. And that is how we can create, update, and delete firewall rules inside pfSense for a particular firewall that we have registered with the application. Thanks for watching.